Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Dzakwan Rijal Rafif. You can call me Dzakwan. I'm from SMA Negeri 2 Sumeneb. I'm supporting countryside. Education is the process of teaching and learning that develop knowledge, skills, and attitude. Digitalization is the use of digital technology to replace or improve traditional methods. Speaking of online learning, in pandemic situation, student and teacher can access the internet because some of them locate in area that had a weak signal. That's why it's difficult to do online learning. Why false information is still the problem. Many students believe false information because they don't check the truth of the information what they read. That's why they have weak literacy. Artificial intelligence, or we can call it AI. AI get overused by students because of some reason. Finding instant answer rather than thinking naturally. That affect their intelligence and creativity may get decreased. According to Anna Maria Gabriela Petrasuk and Daniela Popescu, students speak less, they type more, they don't remember things, they have their browser where they can find all the needed answer or solution. In my opinion, students communicate get decreased because some students spend all time to stay at home and playing games, scrolling medsos, and watch short video rather than interact with other people outside. Students find instant answer not only in AI, but through browsing internet to find needed answer. That's it for my opinion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.